They can ask. Other problems are omitted. Yes. So in 6F, wait, 6F. Wait. Why? All are say. Right. Right. 6F. These problems are based on age. So total C. I will start exponent indices. Afterwards. Wait, we'll start. Let me first complete this. No, and now mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Let us start now. Because we have to complete this. 6F. Age problem. 6F. Only first 4 problems are there. Then 6G is completely omitted because all the problems 6G is completely omitted. 6F only first 4 problems you have to practice. So let us see the first problem. 5 years ago means before. 5 years ago means before. Homework दिया ना. 6 yes. 5 years ago. Ago means before. So we write let A's age was 4 times age of B. So there are 2 persons. So let A's age. A is a person. Let's A's age be X. Yes. And B's age. B's age be Y. So X age is be X and B's age be Y. So there are 2 persons A and B. Yes. You write present age. Let A's present age. This present what you write. Present age be X and B's present age be Y. This present what you write. So A's present age is X. B's present age is Y. Now 5 years ago. So we write 5 years ago. Ago means before. So 5 years ago. Ago means before. So for 5 years before, I will subtract 5 from the present age. Yes. So wait. 5 years ago. Ago means before. A's age was. A's current age is X. So 5 years ago. A's age will be X minus 5 because X minus 5. And B's age 5 years ago, B's age was Y minus 5. Yes. So 5 years ago, A's age was X minus 5, B's age was Y minus 5. Now what is the condition given? See. 5 years ago, A's age was 4 times age of B. So A's age, X minus 5 is A's age 5 years ago. That is 4 times age of B 5 years ago. 5 years ago B's age was Y minus 5 and that is 4 times. So 4 into Y minus 5. Yes. Yes, here. 5 years ago, this is age of X and this is age of B. So 5 years ago, A's age was X minus 5. That was 4 times age of B. Age of B is Y minus 5. So A's age 5 years ago, X minus 5 is equal to 4 times Y minus 5. Yes? Yes? We write Y minus, because it is 5 years ago. Ago means before. It is 5 years ago. Ago. Present age is x, no? Present age is x. So from present age, we want 5 years ago. Means from present age, we subtract 5. We get, when we subtract, we get ago age. When we add, we get after age. Is it clear? So now you, so now this you solve and get equation. Yes. Now this you simplify and get equation 1. So x minus 5 is equal to, we open the bracket, 4y minus 4 into 5, 20. Now take 4 on the other side. X minus 4y is equal to minus 20 plus 5. Yes, correct? So x minus 4y is equal to minus 15 is my equation number 1. Yes. Now use the second condition. Now how you will get equation 2? What is given? 5 year hence. Hence means after. Minus 20, we take 5 minus 5 on the other side, no? It becomes plus 5. When we change the side, sign changes, no? We take minus 5 on the other side, it becomes plus 5. Now what is the condition? 5 year hence. Now we write 5 year hence. 5 year hence. Yes, 5 year hence. Hence means after. Ago means before. Hence means after. Is it clear? So ago means before. For before we subtract. For hence after means we add. We add to the present age. Now the present age of A is x, present age of B is y. So yes. So now 5 year hence. 5 year age hence A's age will be x plus 5. To the present age we add 5 because it is hence. Hence means after. And B's age will be y plus 5. To the present age of B we add 5. Now what is the condition given? Yes, 5 year hence A's age. What is A's age of 5 year hence x plus 5? A's age is twice the age of B. Age of B is 5 plus 5, no? Twice the age of B. 5 year hence A's age is x plus 5. That is twice. Twice means 2 times the age of B, y plus 5. Now we simplify. X plus 5 is equal to, yes, ask, what happened? 5 year, no, see here, 5 year hence, so A's age will be, no, see here, it is will be or is means equal. Whenever we say will be or is means equal. So A's age will be means x plus 5 equal to twice the age of B. Twice the age of B. Yes, it is. Yes, ask. Yes, ask. Twice the age of B, no? So it is twice the age of B. A's age will be means equal to. Is means equal to. So A's age is equal to twice the age of B. 5 year hence. So now we solve. X minus 2y is equal to 10 minus 5. So x minus 2y is 5. X minus 2y is 5. Yes, solve this. X minus 2y is 5. Yes. Ask the doubt. Yes. Okay, okay, right side. Let me explain. 5 year hence. Hence means after. So what is the percentage of AX? 5 year after means X plus 5. What is the percentage of BY? 5 year hence means it will be Y plus 5. So 5 year hence, A's age. What is A's age? X plus 5. Will be means equal to twice the age of B. Means 2 into the age of B is Y plus 5. Understood? A's age is A's age. What is A's age? X plus 5, no? Then what is A's age? X plus 5. That will be twice. That is twice the age of B. Twice means 2 times. 2 into the age of B is Y plus 5. So X minus 2Y is equal to 10 minus 5. So X minus 2Y is equal to plus 5. Is it clear? Yes. X minus 2Y is equal to minus 5. X minus 2Y is equal to plus 5. X minus 2Y is equal to 10 minus 5, 5. This is my second equation. So now solve equation 1 and 2. X minus 4y is minus 15, equation 1. And X minus 2y is 5, equation 2. Now solve 1 and 2 by equating coefficient. Yes. Yes. X coefficient is 1, X coefficient 1 equal. So I will write 1 minus 2 because X, the coefficient are same sign, plus plus. So we have to subtract 1 minus 2. So X minus X 0 minus 4y. So whenever there is subtract, you have to change the sign. Plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus. Which part? First equation. What was the condition? 5 years ago, A's age. 5 years. So 5 years ago means X minus 5. A's age was 4 times. 4 times age of Y. Y minus 5. Solve that. So now equation 1 and 2. X coefficients are same. So same sign we subtract. Change the sign X. Where? Because it is given, no? X minus 2y is 10 minus 5. X minus 2y is 5, no? That is my equation number 2. So X minus X 0, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2y. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2y. Minus 15 minus 5 is minus 20. You have to take the new sign, minus plus. So minus 2y is equal to minus 20. So y is equal to 10. Yes. Now put this value in equation 1 or equation 2. Get the value of x. Put this value in equation 1 or equation 2. Get the value of x. Put the value of y in equation 1 or equation 2, get the value of x. So put y is equal to 10 in equation 1. Put y is equal to 10 in equation 1. Put y is equal to 10 in equation 1. Yes, what you will get? Equation 1. X minus 4 into y is 10, minus 15. So x minus 40 is equal to minus 15. So x is equal to minus 15 plus 40. So x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 and y is equal to 10. So we write the answer in terms of age, that what is x? A is age, A is present age. So x is minus 15 plus 40 is 25. Yes, so x is, wait, x is 25. So we write x is 25. Yes. You have to, you have to write that A is percentage is x is 25, we write years, and B is percentage is y, which we write 10 years. So percentage is 25 and 10. Percentage is 25 and 10. Now, second will be homework, third I am writing. Because these are age. Wait. Third one, second one is same. Only you have to change the number. Now third one. Yes. Wait. You write. Third one. All of you are having textbook. So all of you are having textbook. So should I write directly or I have to write the question? Okay. So let me write. Third one, solution of third. Then you have to see the question. 4 years ago, a mother was 4 times as old as her daughter. So there are two persons. One is mother, other is her daughter. So we write let the present age of mother be x, and the present age of her daughter be y. Yes. So we have taken present age of mother as x and present age of her daughter as y. Now those who are having textbook, read the condition what is given. 4 years ago. 4 year. Yes. So first we write what is the age 4 years ago. So present age of mother is x. Present age of her daughter is y. So 4 years ago. So we write 4 years ago. 4 years ago. Ago means before. Mother's age was, because it is past tense, x minus 4. Daughter's age was y minus 4. Yes. So now see the condition what is given. 4 years ago, a mother was means mother's age was x minus 4. That was means equal to. Remember, was is will be means equal to. A mother's age was 4 times as old as her daughter. So 4 times the age of daughter, that is y minus 4. Now we solve this and get equation 1. So x minus 4 years ago, mother's age was x minus 4 and mother's age was 4 times the age of daughter. Mother's age was 4 times the age of daughter. So x minus 4 is equal to 4y minus 16. So x minus 4y is equal to minus 16 plus 4. Take 4 on the other side. So x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. This is my equation number 1. Then what is given additional condition? 6 years later, 6 years hence, or you can say later, or you can say after. So 6 year later, later means after or hence. Yes, find the age. Find the age of mother and daughter after 6 years. Yes. Find the age of mother and daughter after 6 years. Six-year later, or that will see. First you find 6 year later. 6 year later or afterward, mother's age will be. Yes, mother's age will be, because it is future, will be x plus 6, and daughter's age will be, daughter's age will be y plus 6. But now see the condition what is given. 6 year later. Sum number 3. Third. 6 years later, the mother will be, mother's age is x plus 6. That will be means equal to. Mother's age will be means mother's age x plus 6 equal to 2.5 times. 2.5 times. Yes, 2.5 times as old as her daughter. So what is the daughter age? Y plus 6. So this we write x plus 6 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. I can write 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Now we cross multiply. Yes, what do you get? You can open the bracket, but you cross multiply. No, if you open the bracket, fraction will come. To avoid that fraction, I am telling you cross multiply. So that will be 2 into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y plus 6. 5 is multiplied to this, 2 is multiplied to this. So 2x plus 12 is equal to 5y plus 30. So you will get 2x minus 5y is equal to 30 minus 12. So 2x minus 5y is equal to 18. 2x minus 5y is equal to 18. 2x minus 5y is equal to 18. Yes. Now solve equation 1 and 2. So 2x minus 5y is equal to 18 is equation 2. So 2x minus 5y is equal to 18 is my equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. X minus 4y is equal to minus 12, equation number 1. Then 2x minus 5y is equal to 18, equation number 2. Now either by equating x or by equating y, you have to, yes, because we are writing one below other. No, we are writing one below other. Yes. Now suppose you want to cancel y. Then this equation 1 I will multiply by 5. Equation 2 okay, you want to cancel x? Yes, you are okay. So I will write 2 into equation 1. Equation 1 I will multiply by 2. So it becomes 2x. Then coefficient become equal, but they have same sign, plus plus. So plus plus means you have to subtract equation 2. So you have to multiply equation 1 by 2 first. So 2x. Yes, not in the middle. This sign also you have to see this sign. If you are equating, yes, if you are equating x, then you have to see the sign of x. If you are equating y, you have to see the sign of y. we are equating x. So 2x multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2x minus 2 into 4, 8y is equal to 2 into minus 12 minus 24. Then equation 2, 2x minus 5y is equal to 18. Yes. No, camera is on. It is coming clear. नहीं कैमरा ऑफ कहाँ है? ऑन है. Yes. No. I have to complete. I have to complete this. Wait. But it is showing there. Wait. I have. Where camera is off? Wait. Wait for. No. Wait for 1 minute. Wait for. No. Wait for 1 minute. Nobody will go. I have to complete this. Wait for 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. I have to complete this. No. Wait for 1 minute. No. Minus plus minus. Let me complete. No. 2x minus 2x 0. Minus 8y plus 5y is minus 3y is equal to minus 24 minus 18 is minus 42 is minus 42. Yes. If you can hear my voice. Okay. Yes. So minus 3y is minus 42. So 14. Now get the value of x also. We'll complete this question. Minus 42 by minus 3 we divide. So you will get y is equal to minus 42 upon minus 3. So y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14. Then put the value of y. Put y is equal to 14. No, not 39. Put y is equal to 14 in equation. Not 33. Put y is equal to 14. No. Put y is equal to 14 in equation 1. In equation 1. So you will get x minus 44 is the correct answer. 4 into 14 is equal to minus 12. So x minus 4 into 14 minus 56 is equal to minus 12. So x is minus 12 plus 56. So x is 44. So we write mother's age is 44. Mother's present age is 44. Yes, statement you have to write. And daughter's present age is 40. And this complete. And see here, exercise 4 is now homework, and exercise 6G is completely omitted. It clear? Yes. Exercise 6G is completely omitted because those problems we have covered earlier, and this complete this chapter. Yes, whole exercise 6G. Now yes, tomorrow. Now tomorrow we'll start exponent or indices. Yes. 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 Bye. हाँ हाँ हाँ, first 4 questions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 of 6G. Okay. Bye.